put new diffs in it, put a new motor in it. Man, awesome little rig, man. All right, fellas, we are back with the Redcat Volcano. It's been a while. Let's get it. It's been a while since I drove this thing, man. This thing right here, boy. Yeah, she can tow the wheelie now. Don't play with the Redcat Volcano. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Ooh, it's pulling to the side now. Yeah, it's an awesome little rig, man. Got some new tires on it, put a new diff in it, the front and the rear. Put new diffs in it, put a new motor in it. Man, this thing is fully decked out all over again. Fun times with the Redcat Volcano, guys. I'm telling you. I know y'all wondering, why you not taking it off road? Well, I'm supposed to be selling it, and I don't want to get these new wheels dirty. I'd rather let the new buyer get these wheels dirty, you know? So yeah, that's the only reason why we got it over here on the tennis courts. Just messing around a bit before they run me out of here. Of course, I know they're gonna run me out of here. City Parks and Recreation, they don't, this is frowned upon. This is frowned upon. Driving on the tennis courts. So, just out here for a quick rip. Man, if you haven't had a chance to get out and drive any RC cars, man, get out there and drive something, man. I'm telling you. Look like it's pulling to the right slightly. Yeah, let's see if we can do some little trimming. Just a little trimming. Whoa. I think that might be close. Oh no, it's still pulling. That's better. It definitely needs some slight adjustments, but it's good though. I'm running it on 2S. It is 3S capable, but I'm just running it on 2S. I like that bug body on it. That bug body definitely fits this thing. That bug body looks real good on it. Look like that back tire is coming loose. I'm pretty sure that's what's going on. I guarantee, and I forgot my wheel wrench